Hi everyone, it's Katie here with Shoes of Hollywood. I am excited today because we have done a fair few changes to the shop and I want to show you. So I thought for starters I'll just pop a pair of shoes on so we can walk around the shop, and these are only a little pair and a little fabulicious, you can see just here. Just a little slip on, they're actually a gala, the little code is on the box as well. But they are a little black shoe. I've actually done these ones before, but I love them, so I've chose them again just to go for a little stroll around the shop in, just because they're comfy. I don't have to concentrate when I'm walking. Oh, forgot about the packaging and the toes. I'm not getting my foot in there otherwise. So I'll just slip these ones on very quickly. But they're very easy, you can see just there. They've got a bit of a smaller strap as well, but I think they're a little good combo. You can see, really easy to walk in, make the little noise. Might take you for a little walk just before we go for a stroll around the shop. That noise might be a little bit distracting, sorry about that. That's okay, gotta listen to Katie. Sounds like I'm walking with my, I don't know if you call them sandals, flip-flops, wherever you're from. But have a look. We have 3 new antelope seats. They are so gorgeous. The shop got them in. They're very, very comfy. I can speak from experience. I was just sitting on it all day today, so I love them. It's a yes from me. And we have rearranged the shop a little bit. We have actually got a new seat in, and you can see, look at it. It's like a little heel. So we've done lots of photo shoots already on it. And we have popped it up on our Patreon channel, so do check them out. It's a groovy little seat. There's some pretty cool little spots you can sit in there. Have a look. We've got our nice mannequin taking a nice seat on there for the second. Look, she's cool. She's got a hat backwards. Like a little zebra. Very cute. Nice and soft as well, which was really nice. We have got some bikinis, which you guys probably have seen before. These are used for competitions quite often. We actually popped the little gems on here at the shop, so they are all hand placed on. No one can have the same bikini as you then. A few different colours. There's silver, red, blue. We have a pink, we have gold. So they're really nice option. We've got a couple of little sets as well, but we actually have our computer now. So we have been setting this up over the past couple of weeks, but you know, we haven't got the best internet just yet, so we're trying our hardest. We want to go live soon, and we want to do lots and lots of shout outs to you guys, and this was put together very last minute, so I do apologise. But I know, Silas, you've been watching, so thanks for the support. I know you've been commenting lots, and we do appreciate it. Thank you for that. That's the only one I can think off the top of my head, but I will be more prepared next time, I promise. So computer's there, might go live soon. We have lots of clear shoes. These are good for competitions. The girls, you can imagine the bikini and then the shoe for the comps. They become nice and tan. We've got lots of different styles, lots of different sets as well. Many mini skirts as well, which are really handy. You know, if your boyfriend's around in the shop, you can send them this way and come and grab a pair. We've got plenty of things here, ladies. Send your man here, I tell you. If it was mine, he'd be coming straight here too. We have lots of... Oh, come and look at the sale. We have so many things on sale. And this whole rack is $10. 10. Only $10. Australian dollars too. So if you're in America or Europe or wherever you are, America, maybe $7. Very cheap. And think... This corset, $10? Who's buying me one? You guys can send me presents, okay? I have a couple of these, but look, $10, and you get to choose your color too. Look, you've got blue, you've got green, I love it. I'm a size small. Anyone wants to get me one? Oopsie days. I'll just pop that back. Sorry, I'm messing up the store. Shoes of Hollywood are going to get angry at me. And look, another sale. All these little sets and Halloween style costumes, and we've got lots and lots of shoes. So anyone, look, like $35, $35. So cheap. $30. Wow. $49, that's cheap for them. Oh, how gorgeous. The red, and then $39. So cheap. We've got, the sale just continues. So cheap. Any colour, styles, quirky. Look, get little skeletons. So cute. Like a pin-up style. And sale keeps going here. Look, we've got so many things on sale. $25 and you can wear a shoe similar to what I'm wearing now. So cheap. Everyone send everyone here. Sale is on. But Shoes of Hollywood were super kind, and I have got another little set that I will be modeling today. You can see they've got this gorgeous packaging, so thank you, Shoes of Hollywood. They've got a beautiful little bow. Opens up just like this. You deserve everything. Yes, I do. No. So you see their little packaging. This is from Bras and Things, and I love their shop. They've got the best stuff there. And I do actually model this on our Patreon as well, so please jump on and check it out. But if you do want to see this one, what it looks like on, I do have it. I will have it on. Oh, it's blue. Oh, how gorgeous. Little blue set. Lots of little diamantes down the bottom. Blue will look really nice with my blonde. You see the little clips at the back. They just undo like that. Oh, wrong way. Looks so pretty. I'm so excited. Oh, how gorgeous. You do have nice blue little bits of lace on the thong as well. That's quite, I love it. That is so pretty. Little buckles in the back. And do check it out, because I will be doing different shoots and styles. So it's all on Patreon. Go check it. There's lots of different photo shoots on there as well, if you want to see any of the others. So we have got that there. And I am so excited to model this one for you guys. Might even do it on a new chair. But for the moment, what I'll do is I'll just put this one here, because I don't want to ruin it before I even wear it. And I'll see you soon.